In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a Mailchimp action. Whether you've made a mistake while designing your latest campaign or simply wish to revert to a previous version, understanding how to efficiently undo your actions can save you a great deal of time and prevent unnecessary frustration. After logging in, let's head over to the heart of today's tutorial, the Campaigns section. You'll want to click on the Campaigns option, which you can find on your Mailchimp dashboard. This section is crucial as it houses all your marketing efforts in one convenient location. From newsletters to social media posts, this is where your creative efforts come to life. It's essentially your command center for all things marketing. Once you're in the Campaign section, the next step is to select the campaign you wish to edit. Maybe it's a newsletter you're drafting or a promotional email that's ready to go out. Selecting this campaign is pivotal because it's where you've recognized the need to undo an action or revert to a previous design. It's important to have this identified as your starting point for any changes you plan to make. After pinpointing the specific campaign, look for the Edit Design option. Selecting this will take you directly to the editor where you can create and modify the content of your chosen campaign. The editor in Mailchimp is a pretty powerful tool, designed to be both intuitive and feature-rich. It provides you with a plethora of options to design and customize your campaign, making sure it aligns perfectly with your vision. With your campaign open in the editor, it's time to address the main focus of today's tutorial: undoing an action. To undo an action, simply look for the Undo button. This feature is truly your best friend when it comes to editing, as it allows you to revert to the previous state of your campaign before the last change was made. Whether it's a text edit, an image replacement, or any other modification, the Undo tool can handle it. The beauty of the Undo button is that it lets you take a step back, offering you a chance to correct mistakes or reconsider your edits. Utilizing the Undo feature can dramatically streamline your workflow, especially when you're fine-tuning your campaign. It encourages both experimentation and creativity, allowing you to try different designs and content placements without the fear of making irreversible changes. You can play around with your design, secure in the knowledge that you can always step back if needed. And that's it. That's how you undo an action on Mailchimp. Remember, successful email campaigns are often the result of careful planning, creative experimentation, and the ability to adapt and modify your content as needed. The Undo feature on Mailchimp is a simple yet powerful tool that supports this process, helping you achieve the polished professional look that resonates with your audience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Mailchimp is a robust platform designed to cater to your email marketing needs, and understanding how to navigate and use its features effectively can vastly improve the quality of your campaigns. Now go ahead, give it a try yourself, and see just how easy it is to undo and improve your campaigns on Mailchimp. Happy emailing!